Tapos na natin kumain. So, let's go home. And of course, napaka-exciting. Let's go to our car. So, makibundok ng San Jose, California. Yan. And of course, dito tayo galing today sa Tumay Sushi and Seafood Buffet for Orland. Yan. Let's go to our car. Lang. So, ang ganda ng weather dito sa California. I think around 12 o'clock in the lunchtime. So, maaga kami pumunta, almost 11 in the morning. We want to make sure na nandoon na kami pag-open. Kaya konti pala yung tao. So, ngayon tapos na, we going na. So, let's go to our, this is our car for the day. Yan. Oh, makita mo naman yung aeroplane sa taas namin. So, today I'm not the driver. I'm the... Yan, nandito na tayo. Time to go home. Bye! And mabuhay! I love you all!